we're gonna try a different version of the bird's nest soup. If you haven't seen it already, we made a sweet version bird's nest soup. Go ahead and check it out if you haven't seen it already. But today we're gonna try a more savory version of bird's nest soup. We're gonna use rice cooking wine, tapioca starch, soy sauce, green chives, ginger, egg, white pepper, chicken broth, and some prosciutto. I'm gonna start with boiling the bird's nest that have been soaked overnight already. So I'm gonna put them in this pan, and I'm gonna turn on the heat and adding water. And they're gonna be cooking to soak for about half an hour. The bird's nest, now it's kind of like a gelatiny looking thing. And this is what we're gonna use in the soup. I'm gonna start making the soup by putting chicken stock and ginger in here. Turning it on, and then we have, I measured out 2 cups of chicken stock. And the recipe said to use about the thumb size of ginger, so it's my thumb, that's the ginger. And then I'm gonna add the bird's nest into it along with the soy sauce and rice wine. So now I'm chopping up some chives. This is more gonna be like garnish on top of the soup, just to add a little color and a tiny bit of flavor. And I'm also, the recipe calls for ham. My favorite ham is prosciutto, so I'm gonna use that. And my son actually said something that might be kind of fitting. He's like, "Mom, why do you call this Chinese bird's nest soup?" And I'm like, "Well, that's what they call it." He's like, "But you're Swedish." And since I'm tweaking it a little bit, adding other ingredients instead of regular ham using prosciutto, maybe we'll call this Swedish bird's nest soup. Also gonna crack an egg that's gonna be last minute put into the soup, but we'll prep everything by cracking the egg. And now I can hear that the chicken stock is boiling, so I'm gonna take the lid off. Turn the heat down, add our bird's nests, just pour it in there. Stir it around a little bit. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of rice cooking wine. 1, 2. And then add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And I think it says a pinch of white pepper. So we're using the measurement for a pinch of white pepper. And then the tapioca starch, it says to use a teaspoon. And I mix that teaspoon with a little bit of water just to get it to dissolve. So add that. Okay. I think I will just stir in the egg and it should be ready to serve. Make a little stir on the bowl and then I can do it this way.